Ang ganito yung camera. Gaganon.
Hi guys. Today,
Ay, video na lang kita.
bakit ako? Pwede ba i-restart mo? Ito? And we have a special guest! Special guest! Hey, hi! Welcome to Ay, wala sila.
Uy, Monday daw, pinanaya.
Yeah!
So, we're gonna walk lang. Kasi malapit lang naman. Galakad lang tayo. And over the bridge. Ay, footbridge. Skywalk sana sasabihin. Skyway?
Skyway?
Excited na kayo mag-swimming?
Bakit sobrang zoom? Hey! Hey! Whatever, guys. Okay.
Take two.
So, hello guys. Nasa kami na UPTC. UPTC right there.
Kami pupunta, so...
Sabi, hello guys, si Marie. Okay, we're going to stop here first.
Vlogger pa sa harap, oh.
She vlogging too. We're going
So,
there.
hindi nakakaalam guys, tatawid lang kayo ng anong tawag?
Footbridge.
Footbridge. Tapos makakapunta na kayo ng
From Union Student Building.
Student Union.
Union Student
Student Union.
Okay.
Kaya nga SUV, di ba?
Student Union Building. And look at those bitches walking right there. Oh, sorry Naya, not you.
I lost my phone. Yeah, ma.
It was a prank. Prankster.
At the cover para
Mag-zumba kami ngayon. Look, oh. Mag-zumba kami ngayon.
siya yung it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life.
Time zone. Diretso na agad.
Ewe? Popular tayo.
Sige. Talunin ko kayong lahat. 8-ball pole.
Meanwhile,
Yan na lang, kids.
Dito na wala pa nga ng kids. Magulat yung mga bata.
Okay, mamaya na ulit sa time zone, guys.
Pwede kaya tayo dyan?
Dito tayo, depende saan nakahook. Okay, natin time zone. Ay, sige pa. Ang tagal nyo kasi. Wala na, nag-iwalay na kami. Wala na, nag-iba-iba na yung direction. This one's Pikachu. Dito ba kasi?
Rawi, pila yan.
Yun.